So this is actually my first time going to a Tory Burch store. I've been shopping online as of lately, but I have not actually went into an actual store. So I'm super excited. These are cute. This is super cute. Super, super cute. And it has compartments. Oh, I really like this one. It has multiple compartments. So this one is 40% off, and this one is $6.58 with 40% off. Hey. So I know that I did not say the name of each and every item here, but you could definitely screen record or take a photo of whatever items that you are interested in. Contact your local Tory Burch or even a Tory Burch outside of your area, and they will work with you in setting up shipping or even store pickup. Now the whole store is up to 50% off, and even some of their items have an additional 20% off. So get your items while you can, and thank you so much for watching. Teresa.
My name is Louise, okay?
Louise? Louise, okay. do?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That one. That's the black.
Oh, okay. Let me put this one back. Oh, okay. Can't get in there. So these ones are all 50% off, and then these ones are 40% off.
This one is 170.
Okay.